Hello guys, welcome back to Ziegler Programming our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to lock money on Opay. So, do you know you can actually lock your money in Opay? Like you can actually just lock a particular amount of money in your Opay. Like for example, you can keep like 100,000 for the space of 3 months without you being able to access the money until that fixed date you actually scheduled for the money to be touched. Yes, so the money is going to be locked in your Opay till that date you want to make use of it. So first thing you have to do in order to lock your money in Opay is actually open up your Opay app and you have to log in. So once you log in into your account, you're going to click on more right here. Click on more. Once you click on more, you're going to see OLs, fixed and solar. So you click on fixed. Once you click on fixed, you're going to see this and you're going to actually be asked to choose a plan to start. You can see a plan to start here. So you can choose the amount you want to actually save up. If it's 7 to 60 days, 61 to 180 days, and you're going to see the percentage as well. So for example, if we choose 7 to 60 days, that is about 2 months, click on that. You're going to actually impute, you're actually going to impute the amount here that you want to save, you want to actually lock. Let me put 1,000 naira, for example. Afterwards, you're going to scroll down and you're going to actually drag this part to fix the days you want to keep, like for how long you want to keep the money. If it's about 41 days or 30 days or 60 days, the date is going to show right below here. So you can see if I'm going to do 60 days, the money is going to be released on the 9th of October. And then the next thing is, if you want auto renewal, like you want to renew your plan automatically after maturity, like you're not going to miss a day of interest, then you actually have to put in the name of the plan you want. Maybe for school fees, you can just put in school fees, right? You click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to see the interest rate you're going to get. You're going to get 15% of the amount you actually imputed. So the percentage, the interest after they're going to minus the tax is going to be 22 naira. So the total amount you're going to get on the due date is 1,022 naira 18 kobo. Then you click on save. So once you click on save, they're going to debit you from your main account and it's going to be locked. It's going to be locked until the due date when you're supposed to actually get the money on your Opay main account. So this is literally how to lock your money on Opay. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.